Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you all how I do this flip over sew in ponytail method. And I have my beautiful client with me today. She's like my spiritual sister. I love her to death. And yes, y'all, I am just going to show you exactly step by step what I do to get her this natural looking ponytail. So as you can see, I'm taking that rat tail comb and I'm kind of just carving out the perimeter, just trying to figure out how much hair that I want left out. And in the middle where I'm leaving, well, where the ponytail is, I'm going to braid that and I'm going to sew synthetic tracks onto her braids. And yes, y'all, this hairstyle is very affordable. I think you could spend like 20 something dollars on this hairstyle. That's all you need, and you get 3 bundles. And I'm going to show you the hair that I'll be using, the products I'll be using, and pretty much we tried to match it the same exact color as her hair. So right now I'm just kind of just like braiding her perimeter out the way so it won't get caught up with what I need to sew down. And yeah, y'all, like this hairstyle is super quick, super easy. Um and it's very versatile. So you can wear it up, you can wear it down, but she wanted a ponytail. So yeah, y'all continue watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will talk to you later, trendsetters.
Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe in me, don't you be like that? I will love you forever. If you only believe in me, yeah.
Back in the O, straight from the 8. I'm walking with God, I don't need a drink. The devil be talking, I don't entertain. I'm walking in faith, I'm sowing my seed. I did it in faith, I gave it to God, and He made it great. Put me in good soil and took out the snakes. Back in the O, straight from the 8. I'm walking with God, I don't need a drink. The devil be talking, I don't entertain. I'm walking in faith, I'm sowing my seed. I did it in faith, I gave it to God, and He made it great. Put me in good soil and took out the snakes. God, I do great at this rate. I'm finna good and I'm done acting fake. Had to step out the crib, I'm done being late. I'm finna walk in the word, don't need drapes. Bruh, I ain't shooting no demons today. I'ma keep seeking the kingdom with faith. I'ma trust in the truth so He got in my ways. And I hope that you get it today. And I hope that you find it your way. Back in the O, straight from the 8. I'm walking with God, I don't need a drink. The devil be talking, I don't entertain. I'm walking in faith, I'm sowing my seed. I did it in faith, I gave it to God, and He made it great. Put me in good soil and took out the snakes. God, I do good at this rate.
Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly.
I got God and He still got my back. I'm so attached, I don't need a strap. Never thought that He would take me back. I will love you forever. Yeah, now I see the truth. I'm believing in you. Back in the O, straight from the 8. I'm walking with God, I don't need a drink. The devil be talking, I don't entertain. I'm walking in faith, I'm sowing my seed. I did it in faith, I gave it to God, and He made it great. Put me in good soil and took out the snakes. God, I do good at this rate. Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe the King. Yeah. Don't you think like that? I will love you forever. Yeah. Cause God, I'm believing in you.
Tears I'm gonna shed. Lower. Lower. Yeah, look. I don't need a label, so I
I dropped the label. Get it straight from the streaming, so I cut the cable. There's a difference between the legend and the fable. They didn't have enough seats, so we built another table, yeah. Look, I don't want the beef and I don't want the bacon, yeah. I told all my haters, assalamu alaikum, yeah. I threw shots at Satan, they were faith and patience, yeah. God threw shots at Satan, he won't make it. I'm happiest when listening to sad songs. Had a lot of good friends give me bad thoughts. Pulled in different directions like I am cat dog. Finally called the label and told them this is my last song. A lot of people don't like the way that I rap, dog. You know your choir director listen to Mask Off. I've been captured by beauty, I hope it catch on. I'm just doing my duty, I hope you find yours. God told me he got me, no doubt like I'm Gwen Stefani. Been so blue like Sonic, I don't wanna be more cool than honest. I got hooked like phonics, on follows and likes and comments. I'd rather have applause than closing on $1 million. But I'm growing old, not worried about so-and-so. On my way up, like I was headed up to Roanoke. Only master that I have was risen then ascended. That's why I got my masters back, I do this independently. I don't need a label, so I dropped the label. Get it straight from the streaming, so I cut the cable. There's a difference between the legend and the fable. They didn't have enough seats, so we built another table, yeah. Look, I don't want the beef and I don't want the bacon, yeah. I told all my haters, assalamu alaikum, yeah. I threw shots at Satan, they were faith and patience, yeah. I threw shots at Satan, he won't make it.
More wins than a LeBron team. We got more V's than a garage scene. Deal card, he wasn't capping. God did it, the deal's off, I peeled off. Reason for speeding, the real caught it like Randy. It's the season, they wanna be down like Brandy. The victory mine, they say that history mine. And not to mention, I get different with time. Bumping P, I'm thinking Jid, go insane. You can't beef with me, my brothers ain't got it made. I can't beef with you, my father gon' be on my case. I know a thing or two about getting through the game. I struggled, I know the difference from rap and real wins. The real win in the long run. Yeah, it take a minute but feel different. Or get a deal and deal with it.
Yeah, P. I don't need a label, so I dropped the label. Get it straight from the streaming, so I cut the cable. There's a difference between the legend and the fable. They didn't have enough seats, so we built another table, yeah. Look, I don't want the beef and I don't want the bacon, yeah. I told all my haters, assalamu alaikum, yeah. I threw shots at Satan, they were faith and patience, yeah. I threw shots at Satan, he won't make it.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming.
Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father.
Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your.
Okay, so this is the final result of the ponytail. How you feel about it?
I love it.
Yes, so you gotta show the people, turn around for them. Yes, shake it, lift it up in the back so they can see. Yes, y'all, this is the flip over method, and this is just how I do it to blend it in, come up a little bit. Yes, show the people, bend your head down a little bit. Yes. Ooh, not too much. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. It's okay. But yes, y'all, this is the final result of the ponytail.